I'm so nervous.
Yeah, me too. Hello everyone and welcome back. It is June by now and obviously I'm still not aboard a boat. I'm still in Austria right now, but the start is coming very soon. In fact, we do have a ferry this coming Wednesday to go to Italy, and we will go to Italy and then take a ferry from Venice in Italy to Patras, and then from there drive over to Piraeus. From there take another ferry and we are back in Aegina aboard the boat. Now, since we are delayed already quite a bit, and because dive centers were also quite well affected by the whole COVID-19 lockdown and all of this, lots of the changes, lots of the plans have changed a bit. And right now we are actually trying to get back in touch with the dive centers since they were shut down and kind of froze all communications for a while. So we are heating all that up again. Also, Pana and myself, we are on the way back very soon to start working on the boat, which we will have to do in a somewhat shorter timeline than we had anticipated. But it's all gonna work out. Don't worry about that. So the plan right now is still to have the boat back into the water early July, so within the first week of July, and that means we would be in Corinth, so Canal of Corinth, which I'm really looking forward to crossing by the 10th of July, the very latest, and that actually does put us back on schedule of the original timeline. So we only miss out on the Aegean Sea, which is a big bummer, but yeah, everything else will still be on schedule, which is good. Also, we have been working on a nice little job list basically for everyone who is on board with us, and of course ourselves, of projects that we can run every single day aboard the boat. So it is about 8 o'clock in the morning. Just picked up a little bit of cash. Pana is at the post office sending off the last couple of things, and we are on our way to Greece, hopefully going the long way around, driving down through the Balkan states. So right now Spital, hopefully tomorrow already in Serbia or somewhere down there. As you can see, full pack car behind me. So let's see how we go.
We just crossed the border from Slovenia to Croatia, and I guess we're in Zagreb now, or almost in Zagreb. And
Getting there,
yeah.
yeah.
So it's going well so far.
Country number 3 today.
Yes, and we didn't wait too long, not more than
10-15 minutes maybe on the border on the last one.
Yeah.
First one was a breeze. Yeah, welcome to Croatia. Hello! So we are obviously not moving right now. Pana is actually posting on Instagram, I think, to keep you guys posted. And we are stuck in traffic about 10 kilometers from the Greek border. Sitting inside now, because it's raining. It was actually nice out before. People have like pop-up chairs and things from the camper vans. It's like a little party out there. Well, not anymore. But all is good, just waiting. So after 4 days of traveling and crossing a handful of countries, it was finally the time for boatwork again. pulled out the topping lift, the old one, and pulled in 2 messenger lines so far. One for the Ethernet cable, which he's connecting right now, which means we have a Wi-Fi antenna all the way on top of the mast, and another one will go in for the VHF cable. And also we are replacing our topping lift for one of the new beautiful rub lines. Finally rig work started. I am sacrificing a good 15-20 centimeters of our Genoa track so we can weld this. There's a little hole right in front of our steam plate, so we have to cut that out and weld more. And in order not to have to take out the entire Genoa track, which is rather long, we decided to chop off the last 2 screws and save ourselves the hassle of taking apart the entire galley. So that's where we are.
Thank you. Explain what you're doing now.
Putting on the final last touches of our silicone paint, which will hopefully keep us sliding fast and growth free. I really hope it does.
I hope so too.
So it's finally that time. We've been sweating buckets for the last couple of weeks. Now is the interesting hour where it might all just pay off. So let's see if she's waterproof. So this just gives you an overview about a couple of the things that we got done in the last few weeks. A lot more of this is coming up ahead, and we are by now already a little bit further than this, but more about that in the next video. So I hope you enjoyed this one and hope to see you back around. See you guys. Bye bye.